In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Now, there's multiple things that you could try. The first thing that's always worth trying is checking your notifications to see if you are able to see the deleted message. So sometimes you could find it over here just by looking over at your notifications. Unfortunately, we aren't able to see it in this instance. But if the message was recently sent, then you may be able to see it in the notifications. However, if that doesn't work, the next thing we should try is loading into a WhatsApp backup. So the way it works is that if a backup was done between when a message was sent and when it was deleted, you can actually recover it relatively easily. So in order to recover it, what you would need to do is you would need to go ahead and uninstall the WhatsApp application really quickly. So let me go ahead and find WhatsApp. As you're able to tell, I have way too many apps over here. So yep, here's WhatsApp. So long press on it, then go ahead and press on uninstall just like so. Make sure you select on keep data, then go ahead and press on OK just like so. It's really important that you press on keep data, and once you went ahead and uninstall WhatsApp, you want to go ahead and reinstall it again. By the way, this will work both on Android and iOS devices. But anyways, you just want to go ahead and install WhatsApp one more time. All right, and after you're done with that, it is actually going to go ahead and load in all of the previous messages that were backed up. And then you should be able to see any messages that were actually deleted. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.